Basic appraisal procedures, page 123. 4. Physical size of the site is more than its total area or acreage. Shape and dimensions determine usable area of a site, as do zoning laws. Zoning laws are local ordinances dividing a city, county, etc. into zones allowing different types of land use in different areas. This may limit development by restricting how and where a building may be constructed on the property. A commercial site with greater frontage dimension across the axis side is usually more valuable than a deeper lot that has the same total area. With residential sites, an increase in lot size, frontage, or depth usually contributes about the same amount of extra value to a residential lot. 5. Site location must be considered in relation to other desirable or undesirable properties and the exact location of land in its geographic area. Progression says that the value of a property is positively influenced by other properties in an area. People will pay more for the worst property since they anticipate they can recoup their investment by fixing it up due to its desirable location. Regression says the value of a property is negatively influenced by other properties in an area. People that can afford the best property will be attracted to other neighborhoods and object to the location or surroundings. Lot location within a neighborhood, position of the lot, corner, cul-de-sac, etc., and access to a lot are other factors that determine value. Commercial sites usually value corner lots. In comparison, corner influence may or may not be beneficial to residential sites. An analysis must be done to determine if one type of lot is more valuable in a given market. 6. Geologic characteristics of the land or site are features that influence the use of land. Some common considerations include bedrock, soil composition, and topography. Bedrock may limit basements. Soil may limit tall or heavy structures. Topography may limit buildable area and structures and restrict water flow. All of these geologic aspects influence wells, septic systems, and stormwater management. Subdivision development requires a plan for such things as storm drainage. Other geologic considerations are mudslides, rock slides, earthquakes, floods. 7. The site data section covers zoning, flood information, utilities, and appraiser observations. The appraiser is not required to perform any type of survey, but the goal is to look for encroachments, easements, or restrictions on the site. The appraiser may make a site sketch to include in the appraisal report, along with a map. 8. Neighborhood data section covers general and specific information, some objective facts, some subjective opinions. Neighborhood boundaries can be neutral or man-made. They can also be defined by other characteristics, such as zoning, demographics, or income levels. Almost anything can define a neighborhood, except for race, ethnicity, or any other protected class. Neighborhood life cycle growth, stability/equilibrium, decline, revitalization. 9. Determining highest and best use is one of the most important appraisal steps. Goal: to determine if the land is being used for its most profitable permitted use. 3 steps. Step 1. Estimate value as if the land were vacant. Is ideal use legally permitted? Can it physically be built? Economically feasible? Most profitable? Step 2. Estimate value as land is currently improved. Step 3. Final determination of highest and best use by comparing values derived from steps 1 and 2.